How's it going, YouTube? It's Sean here, back today to give you guys an early look at the upcoming Air Jordan 5 Retro in the alternate grape colorway. This pair is set to drop July 7th for a retail price of $190 US or $250 here in Canada. The official colorway for this shoe is Grape Ice, Black, Clear, and New Emerald. For those watching from Canada, this pair is going to be available at the Closet Inc. The Closet Inc. is my go-to spot for Jordan Retros, and they own and operate 2 locations here in Southern Ontario. So I'll link their social media, their website, all that good stuff, so be sure to check them out and follow them for release details. Jumping back to the shoes, this is a twist on the iconic and OG grape colorway of the Jordan 5. In this case, the entire upper is done in this grape or purple colored suede, creating a very vibrant and very striking look. So you see this purple suede covers the toe box, the side panels, the back heel, but we have these accents of black plastic where the eyelets of the sneaker are. Below this, we have your signature Jordan 5 netting as well, which is found on both sides of the shoe. And around the ankle collar area, this part protrudes out, similar to all your Jordan 5s. On the back heel, we have this black colored Jumpman, which is embroidered in the center. And then as we take a look at the front of the shoe again, so the laces are done in a flat style in black, but we do have your signature Jordan 5 lace lock, and it's done in a combination of clear plastic with this hit of teal or turquoise. Underneath the laces, we have the same netting that was found on the sides of the shoe, and then the top of the tongue is done in this black colored 3M, and it's accented with this embroidered Jumpman done in this turquoise color. The interior of the shoe and the back end of the tongue are both done in black, and we have the Air Jordan tag, which is stitched on in upside down fashion. Taking up the insoles, these come with a turquoise colored insole, and it's finished off with a Jumpman on the heel. So the upper of these Jordan 5s sits atop this midsole, which is entirely painted in black. We do have this teal colored shark tooth pattern, which is found on the forefoot, and it's accented with a speckling of black paint. Underneath the heel, we have this cutaway, which exposes the Nike airsole unit found within the midsole for cushioning. And then turning the shoe over to the bottom, here we have your standard Jordan 5 outsole. So this is done in black colored rubber, but we have these icy blue hits on the forefoot and the back heel, and it's accented with a purple Jumpman underneath the forefoot. For those wondering how these fit, my feet measures as a true size 10, slightly on the wider side, and I'd say that you can either stick true to size or go a half size down if you'd like a really snug fit. I don't know if this is just me, but I found that with the suede version, it fits a little bit more snug than with the leather version, like the Fire Red 5s. So I went a half size down for this pair, and I can feel a little bit of discomfort on the sides of my pinky, whereas for the Fire Red 5, it felt perfectly fine going a half size down. Next up, from a comfort standpoint, so the Jordan 5 isn't the most comfortable Jordan Retro out there. However, for an everyday casual use sneaker, it's not bad. It is a little bit on the heavy side, and it's not the most breathable sneaker out there, but most of us aren't really wearing Jordan Retros for their comfort. You can't really feel any of the air cushioning underneath your feet, but it's going to be a perfectly fine shoe to rock casually. Last but not least, in terms of the quality on this sneaker, I don't know if it's kind of sad to say, but it's pretty much in line with what you would expect from Jordan Brand GRs. What I mean by that is the suede felt pretty rough to the touch, and especially when I compare it to suede from like New Balance, for example, it's pretty much night and day. So don't have your hopes too high, the quality is just kind of what you expect from any other GR Jordan. With all that said, let's lace up these alternate grape Jordan 5s, and I'll show you guys how these look on feet. To be honest, I'm not the biggest fan of the Jordan 5s in general, but this colorway wasn't bad. It's definitely not a shoe that you can wear every day, and it's much more of a statement piece, something that you want to rock not too often. But I've definitely seen worse Jordan releases from Jordan Brand. And yeah, like I said, this one isn't bad at all. Is it something I really need in my collection? Probably not. And usually I'm a bigger fan of OG colorways, so I definitely prefer to own a pair of the OG grapes instead of these. So let me know in the comment section down below how you guys feel about this alternate grape Jordan 5 Retro. And when this drops on July 7th, is this going to be a cop or a drop for you? If you guys like this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Give me a follow on Instagram at sgo8. Check out my Twitter account at sean.go, and visit my website at seango.ca. Before I end this video, a final shout out goes out over to The Closet Inc. So once again, for those watching from Canada, links are down below. Be sure to check them out and show them some love. So until next time, thank you guys all for watching, and I'll catch you guys all in my next review.